we have one more very exciting announcement, a V3 engine.
As we know, Honda introduced their V3 engine with an electric supercharger at EICMA 2024. Since then, various motorcycle designs utilizing this innovative engine have emerged, ranging from naked and sport models to supermotos. This time, we will see the V3 engine in a different form, an enduro bike called the Africa Twin Enduro V3, which features a 1000cc V3 engine. The design of this bike is inspired by the Honda Africa Twin Enduro Sports concept, first introduced at EICMA 2016. That concept gained attention with its serious off-road approach, based on the Honda CRF 1000L Africa Twin. Its standout features included an aluminum engine guard, a Termignoni exhaust system for enhanced performance, and Xtrig Rocks triple clamps for superior suspension strength. The combination of Excel tubeless rims with Michelin Desert Race tires ensures durability in extreme terrains, while extensive use of carbon fiber helps reduce weight, making it worthy of being called the queen of the off-road. Now, the Africa Twin Enduro V3 concept takes inspiration from its predecessor, but with a more modern approach. Its design blends an aggressive appearance with cutting-edge technology. The gold-colored upside-down front suspension adds a premium touch, while handguards, a tall windshield, and a sturdy skid plate are designed to protect the rider in harsh off-road conditions. Additionally, the single-sided swing arm not only gives the bike a more modern appearance, but also helps reduce its weight. The high-mounted Akrapovič exhaust reinforces its rally-ready character while supporting performance across various terrains. The alloy wheels with aggressive tread tires indicate that this bike is built to conquer diverse off-road terrains, from rocky trails to desert sands. Furthermore, the 1000cc V3 engine configuration delivers responsive power, paired with an electric supercharger that increases air pressure by up to 0.34 bar, improving fuel efficiency. This engine is estimated to produce up to 135 horsepower with a maximum torque of 100 Nm, offering outstanding performance akin to a true rally bike. The Africa Twin Enduro V3 concept demonstrates that Honda still has room to innovate in the adventure bike segment. While there is no official confirmation regarding its production, this concept clearly shows tremendous potential to become a highly anticipated bike among off-road enthusiasts.